looks like. Alright, you want to do what?
I want you to teach Pet some things.
Some things? Like what?
Like how to go backwards or other stuff like that.
Well, to go backwards, you have to turn the other way. Yeah, like that. Yeah. And then put your feet out. There you go. And give yourself a push.
Yeah. There could be toys for both of us.
Where? Over there? Lead the way, puppy. What can we do to get you unstuck?
Use a stick.
Oh, quick. Let's find us a stick.
And I see a spider coming to eat me.
Ah!
Quickly. Thank you, Mom, for saving me.
Goodbye, stick.
I'll have to find another one. A tickle stick. But I promise. I won't
Cut
tickle you.
yourself.
Yeah, I tickled my own. Let's
Yeah.
grab one. Whatever tickle stick you can find and let's tickle out the trees.
Isn't it so pretty out through here? I think it's pretty over here.
Yeah. So right here. I think I found you a tickle stick. Oh, never mind. Don't blow my tickle stick. Here you go. Here's your own tickle stick.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Now you can fight me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Careful.
Sorry.
Alright. Wanna throw it in?
Well, what? Which
Did
one?
you want to throw that in?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Did it go? There it goes.
I want to chase it.
No.
I'm out on the road.
Oh, okay. It kind of got stuck on the rock.
Yeah. Follow me.
What do you think? You like the sound of the water makes?
Uh-huh.
Come back this way.
Wow, right there looks very fast. I kind of got nervous, but it wasn't too bad.
What happened today?
I have lost my 2 teeth.
2 teeth came out?
Uh-huh.
Can you open your mouth? Let's see if we can zoom in here. There you go, see? No more teeth. Well, for right now. Okay. So what are we fixing to do with your tooth? Well, first of all, how many teeth are in that bag?
1.
But I thought you said you lost 2 teeth. Where's the second tooth?
It got lost.
What happened?
I don't really know what happened. I was eating snack right before I got done coloring. Wait, I lost it as soon as I found my 2 teeth when I was checking on my other tooth.
So you were eating snack. This is the picture she drew for the Tooth Fairy. And what were you eating?
Pretzels that were looking like ones.
Pretzel sticks.
Pretzel sticks.
And next thing you knew, your tooth was gone.
Yeah.
Alright, you're going to stick it under your pillow?
But it's so
Now,
cool.
now then, I guess I need to tell you. When the Tooth Fairy comes, you know she takes the tooth with her. And then when you wake up, you should have money under your pillow.
But that will be surprising. I'll scream.
Alright, stick it under your pillow.
Okay. But what if it falls down?
And your picture, so she knows that there really were 2 teeth.
Okay, but what if it falls down under those holes?
It'll be fine.
Good.
Alright, and we'll have to wake up and see if she can. What was that?
I have to pee. As I was saying, she was riding through the car wash, and that little beater thing that beats your car to death got stuck in where her windshield wiper is, and it ate her car. It got hung in there and literally bent her whole thing down. Seriously, the whole front of her car is dented in. And she's in there, and that thing is beating her car, and she is stuck in the car wash. She cannot go. And they told her that her car was not in neutral. That's why it did that.
Alright.
So it ripped the plastic thing off of the front of where her windshield wiper is. It ripped it off. And now she has this huge dent in her hood from the car wash. And so, yeah.
And this is my mom. And I get to live with, well, I don't live with her anymore. But
You did for a while.
I did for a while.
But we have lots of fun.
Yeah. Now this is going on YouTube. I have your permission.
Yes.
Okay. Is this what we do after exercise? We get a yummy treat.
We're at Sunday.
Get cappuccino blends. Yum yum.